Danforth Pewter is a sweet little company that's about 50 years old, and we handcraft holiday ornaments and jewelry and oil lamps and a whole bunch of cool stuff in our workshop here in Middlebury, which we sell online and through 9 of our own company stores, which are scattered between Maine and Virginia. I think it's magic how many human hands worked on each product as it went through the process. There are not that many people making things by hand here in the US. There aren't many companies that design and make and run their own retail stores. Here, we do everything ourselves. A lot of the models get finished by hand, we make the molds, then the metal gets poured by hand. It comes out, the person who's doing the casting looks at every single piece to make sure that it casts perfectly. If not, it gets remelted.
I love to create things. I love having like an image of something in my head and then seeing the process.
Each one is a little bit different. A whole team of people, many of whom have worked together for decades, are working together to make sure that each piece arrives to its final home sort of in perfect condition.
It's been a long time working with my hands since I was a kid with my father, working with tools, and they're scarred, and a lot of them, it's good memories. They're really great to work for. They're really great to work for. They're understanding, they value you, they value your family. We're taking something out of 2 centuries ago and bringing it and trying to make it relatable to people today, which is pretty cool.
There's a lot of heart going into every piece. That's really what we hope people feel when they hold a piece of that we have made in their hands.